Maria and we're going to do some gardening at the grove. Do you like my head? This spiky, what do you call this? Spiky cactus. A flower of one of my succulents outside. I don't know what it's called, but yeah. So the idea is to prepare the pots of your choice. And I have here some old broken teacups, teapots that we can use to plant our succulents in. So let's get started. So we prepare a cup by filling it with some pebbles and succulent potting mix. Then we stick the cuttings into the soil, arranging the flowers according to your liking. In this case, I let the blooms hang a little bit out of the cup. Arrange the rest of the cuttings to fill up the cup until you get your desired look. And for finishing touch, we fill in the gaps with some pebbles. I'd say white pebbles make the colors of the succulents pop. And when you're happy with your arrangement, drizzle it with a bit of water to make the soil moist. And there you have it, a beautiful teacup succulent arrangement. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time at the grove.